जी एक्चुअली काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ और अच्छा लगा जब सेम फील्ड के लोग हम एक दूसरे से मिले और एक दूसरे के बारे में जानने की कोशिश की एंड थ्रू दैट we want to reach out to the audience, we want to reach out to the people who look up to us and it was a nice fair discussion where we are sharing our stories, our personal lives, our struggles so that आप लोगों को अपनी जर्नी तय करने में आसानी हो. So it was really nice to for IWM Buzz to come and take this initiative and set up a platform for this and to bring us people like us together so that we can reach out to more audience, more and more people. So I think it's a good initiative, so I thank them and I congratulate them. कितना टीवी बदला है from तो टीवी का बदला है एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज़ जस्ट दैट कहीं ना कहीं हम प्रेशराइज हो जाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं ऑडियंस की डिमांड होती है या कुछ बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कंटेंट आते हैं चैनल पे, टीवी पे, लेकिन चलते नहीं है बिकॉज एक सर्टन सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी देखती है वो शो और एक मास ऑडियंस नहीं देख पाती, नहीं समझ पाती उस शो को बिकॉज उसका पेस बहुत फास्ट होता है, बिकॉज उसका नरेशन बहुत फास्ट होता है. सो कहीं ना कहीं अच्छे अच्छे शोज़ भी आए हैं जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं चले हैं. तो दैट्स वाई पीपल आर फाइंडिंग इट ईजियर टू रीच आउट टू द वेब प्लेटफॉर्म सो दैट पीपल कैन कम ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजी, come on mobile phones and watch it. TV, for that matter, has changed drastically because generation has changed, because new technologies have come, new gadgets have come in our hands, smartphones, iPads, and there are several other web series, web channels that is available right now. So people have found out options now, and it's getting really difficult for TV to survive. So it's good to make new content, good content on TV so that people actually come and watch TV.
Your show also doing very well. TRP also coming. Starting many आ रही थी लेकिन अब आना शुरू हो चुका है. उसको लेके आप कितना मान रहे हैं? Such a good opening now you are getting.
जी to be honest बहुत डिफिकल्ट था when we started off कसौटी because बहुत लोगों के expectations थे because it's कसौटी ज़िंदगी के and एक sort of benchmark set किया था तो हमसे भी उतने ही expectations थे लोगों से. So I just made sure I give my 100%. People gave the 100%. People worked really hard. Days and nights हमने एक साथ किए और today we feel really nice and satisfied that a certain audience, a good chunk of audience watches the show and they appreciate our work, they like our content and they have been following us. So I feel or also surprisingly मेरे लिए personally a lot of people have walked up to me and said we like this Anurag better. So I feel that was an achievement for me as an actor because breaking that image of the previous show and making a new identity of yourself was a new achievement for me. So I feel blessed and I feel obliged that people have given overwhelming response to our shows. Thank you.
Some section in media also are very dissatisfied with your behavior. Some people, how you see that?
Which section?
Some section.
Some sections. Be precise.
I'm asking you a question.
Some media. हाँ ऐसे पूछो.
Or we also, I'm telling them unhappy with your place. So how you see what happened wrong?
जी actually there is a certain sort of misunderstanding that happened between people over here, that certain section that is not favorable. So I feel I work, I have a workplace and there were quite of disturbances that was happening on the set, so which was distracting me a lot during my work. किसी भी इंसान को पसंद नहीं आएगा अगर आप उसके काम के अंदर इंटरफियर करके उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करें. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स it's media and I respect everyone and we give interviews. I love to give interviews, I love to interact with people, I love to answer questions, I love to interact with fans, but when it comes to work you have certain emotions, you take your work very seriously, and I take my work very seriously. I'm a very passionate artist, so I kind of imagine my world in the character, and I be into that character. And while that is happening, there are certain sort of distractions which I'm not able to adjust, because then I have to cut the scenes, then I have to tell them, I have to inform them. So over the period, when this keeps on happening, repeating every day, there has to be a point where you have to go out, reach out to them and tell them, okay, listen, this is a big distraction. I think we should kind of communicate after the shot, because then I cannot give my shot. Then what's the point? We should just give interviews, not work. But we are there for work on the set, and we respect our set. So we want to treat our workplace as a home, and we want to be very focused on our work. So yeah, that is the thing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, this is Megha Chakraborty and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.